My name's Alex, and I am a Florida licensed building contractor, specialty building contractor, licensed by the state of Florida, and we service Western Palm Beach County, Wellington, Royal Palm, Loxahatchee, Palm Beach Gardens. The previous contractor decided to do what we call draping in the industry, where they use one piece of screen over the entire panel instead of splitting individual pieces. And as you can see, we went ahead and split everything in individual pieces. Each panel is individually splined and individually rolled in. We do quality work. You can see our 5-star Google review, Yelp review. If you have any questions, you can call us at 561-252-9899 or text 561-252-9899.